Bore da pawb, jyst trio set o lan Facebook ni. Mae ddim moyn gweithio. Technical problems, classic. Trio fe to. Live. Start live video. Gobeithio mae hwn yn... Yes! Fi'n credu ni'n gweithio. Sorry for those who are looking at Facebook, staring you right in the face. Okay. Right, ti'n gallu weld fi ar Facebook a hefyd ar YouTube. Bore da, good morning. Before we begin, can we make sure everyone has got some water? Bach o dŵr, okay, for National Fitness Day, okay? Diwrnod Ffitrwydd Cenedlaethol. We are doing a 20, yes, that's right, a 20-minute workout for all people who've watched our live broadcast before, okay? Ni wedi wneud 5 munud fel arfer, we've done Fit in 5, gweithio am 5 munud. Heddi, bore yma, we're going to work for 20. Bydd y patrwm, bydd ni'n gweithio am 35 eiliad. We're going to work for 35 seconds, 25 seconds off. For that 25 seconds, byddai'n gweud be ni'n neud nesa, a rhoi bach o enghraifft. I will show you in that 25 seconds what the next exercise will be and give you a quick demo. Okay? Little bit different, but we'll give it a go. Just check on, mae cwpl o bobl yn barod, fi'n credu ni'n iawn. Okay. Hefyd, fi'n gwisgo trainers heddi, os ti'n gallu weld. For viewers, I finally got my new carpet. Joio. So, I'm not taking the risk with all my dirty trainers. Okay, fi jyst mynd I cael y timer yn barod. Yr un gyntaf, first one we're going to do is going to be star jumps, okay? Ni wedi wneud hwn o blaen. We're going to go out and in. Okay, ni wedi wneud hwn o blaen. And as a preview, I'll be really nice. Yr un ar ôl hwnna, bydd ni'n wneud air punches, okay? Punch o'r awyr. Okay. Gawn ni weld. Sa'n fi newid am so on. Mae sŵn ddim yn neis. Then quick sip o dŵr. 5 eiliad. Syth mewn. Nice seren. Pace yourselves. 20 minutes of work heddi. Bydd ni'n chwysu. So croeso, os chi'n mewn yr ysgol heddi, neu falle chi'n adre, maybe you're at home, maybe you're in school. You just need a little bit of space. Everything today is body weight, okay? Ni ddim yn defnyddio offer, we're not using any bits of equipment. Just need a bit of space and our bodies. Well done, guys, we're 1 down, 19 to go. Yr un nesa, ni'n puncho'r awyr, okay? Up to you if you want to go punch upwards, neu o flan. Os chi yn y dosbarth, okay, really bwysig, ni ddim yn mynd mas because there's other children, okay? Ni falle chi'n adre, a mae mam yn gweithio adre, maybe mam's working from home. No. Okay, fi'n mynd lan. Heart rate's up already. Star jumps, fantastic way to start the day. A fi'n mynd o flan. Okay, just punches mas. Bend the elbows. Fi'n mynd lan to. Da iawn, pawb. Not the nicest of days, so it's ideal to get some physical activity in. Good, da iawn. 25 seconds, un nesa. Sit-ups, okay? Ni'n mynd lawr. Just rhoi bach. Ydy pawb gallu weld, ideal. Just lan. Touch the top of the knees. Okay, and that's that. Oh. Barod. Okay. Take your time. Falle you can hear my hips clonking. Oh. Up to you what you want to do. You can either have your hands going up. You can put them on your head. Ar eich pen. Nice a slow ar y ffordd lawr. Paid just flopo i'r llawr. Da iawn, pawb. Nesa. Ni'n mynd i wneud cylchau gyda ein breichau ni, okay? We're going to do arm circles. It's going to go little ones, and we can go bigger, we can go smaller. So from the side, we can go big, neu rhai bach. 3 seconds to go. Okay, fi'n mynd i wneud cylchau bach, and do small little circles. You go as fast as you want. The faster you go, the harder it'll be. Oh, I'm going to go a bit bigger. Gweithio sgwydde a breichau ni. We're going to use our shoulders and arms for this. Oh, sgwydde fi ar dan. My shoulders are on fire already. Fi'n mynd nôl nawr. Oh. Da iawn. Un nesa. We're going to walk the plank. Pa wedi wneud hwn? I'm in ochr. Arms down on the floor. Straight. Don't put your bum in the air. Cadw'n eitha flat. And breathe through it. Okay? Really bwysig. Sim lot o amser. 35 eiliad, off a chi. Off you go. Keep your bums quite flat. Don't point them in the air. Well, tro diwetha, nath ni wneud plank gyda Ffitrwydd 5. I was complaining about my carpet. This is glorious, boys. Lovely, lovely. Cadw'n adlu. Keep breathing through your nose. Mastery cake. Tough. This seems... Oh, yeah. I was going to say, that seems like an age. Un nesa. Trad gyflym. Fast feet. Ar y spot. Quick as you can. Okay? Defnyddio eich breichau. When you're sprinting, you don't run like this. Ni'n mynd i defnyddio breichau ni i mynd gyflym iawn. 5 eiliad. Trad gyflym. Pump your arms. Fast feet on the spot. Keep your head up, if we can. If you've got a friend in the classroom, oes ffrind gyda chi yn y dosbarth, give them a smile. Smiling at people makes other people happy, or scares them completely. Carwyn. Oh, good. 25 seconds. Be sy'n nesa? Gwthio lan, press ups. Loads of variations ni'n gallu wneud. If you cannot do press up fel hyn, okay? Ti'n gallu mynd ar pengliniau. Neu, os mae'r wal ar gael, pan gallu weld, ni'n gallu wneud erbyn y wal. Choice is yours. Fi'n mynd lawr y llawr. Slow bach. Plygu at, well, bend at your elbows, okay? And elyn, ready? Slow bach. O, hwnna'n tough. Os ti angen, go to your knees. Easier version. Da iawn. Ni'n hedfan, we're flying. Lunges, okay? Ni'n mynd I step o mas. Pluggy. My back leg's not going to touch the floor. Just above, push o lan. Lawr. Back is straight. Push o lan. Da iawn. Yn mynd i'r ochr to. Control it. That was too fast. Slow it all. Now, allan, Steph. To make these harder, you can have weights, okay? Ond fi'n credu yn digon anodd, tough enough. Falle you saw, you can do different ones. Step forward, neu ti'n gallu mynd nôl, lan I chi. Ankle touch, nôl ar llawr. I'm in yr ochr to. Facebook can see my feet. Oh, we'll go that way. And then just mynd I tuck o lan and touch your ankles. Touch o ffer ni. Caro. Ydych chi ymlaen. Gweithio oblique muscles. We're using our obliques. See the other sides, okay? Da iawn. Nice to be on the floor. Bach o rest, a little bit different, but we're still working our muscles. Just a little twist, touch the ankle. Oh, da iawn pawb. Lateral jump, ni'n neidio yr ochr, lan I chi. This is our halfway point. Ni'n gallu neidio fel yna. Neu, os chi moyn bach o challenge, if you want a bit of a challenge, you can jump one leg. Fi mynd I neud e gyda dau coes. Okay? Side to side. Use your arms. Lan. And we jump up. Os chi moyn, eto, to make this harder, you can put an item, okay, in between and you've got to really jump over it. Okay? I wneud e'n bach mwy anodd, rhywbeth o dan, so di off yn mynd droso. Ond os ti'n fel fi, pengliniau dost, da iawn, halfway, quick sip. Side plank. Ni wedi wneud plank. Side plank. Same thing. Hips yn dod lan. A ni'n cario lan. You can put your hand in the air, okay? Dwylo lan os chi moyn. But we're working again. Obliques a core. Bach o breichiau fedri. And we're going to hold 35 seconds. Good time to think about what you want for food, falle. Falle be chi moyn o sior and corn, maybe what you want for Christmas. You've got to get the list sorted, guys. Don't leave it late. Hips right land. Keep pushing those hips up to the sky. Oh, da iawn. I'm guessing you'll know what's next. Oh, we're going to do the other side. Ni'n ochr arall. Oof. 116 beats per minute ar y foment. Ni'n gweithio galed. Pan well I weld. Paratoi, geis all ready. A lan na ni. Da iawn. Keep those hips up. Bwysig, cadw'n adlu, keep your breath. Troi troed, mas trwy ceg. Da iawn. Keep it going. Really good stuff. Oh, shiglo fan'na, started to shake at the end. Okay, plank. Fast feet. Trad gylym ochr I ochr. So tro ma, just like we did fast feet. Fast feet side to side. Okay? Mae da ni 7 eiliad. 7 seconds. Fast feet. Keep those arms pumping. So we've got a little bit of movement this time. Stamping the mud down. Really fast feet. Trad gyflym. Ochr I ochr. Cadw'n adlu, nes i'n hofio. Don't forget to breathe. Oh, that was a strange one. Bach yn odd. Okay. Oh, na, Steph. Squat, jump. Okay. Ni'n mynd I neud squat, plygu pengliniau. Okay, Kevin syth, it's not bent. Syth. A ni cael jump lan. O'r ochr to. Squat, jump. You can go as fast or as slow as you like. Bach o pŵer yn y coesau. Basketball, hockey, pawb goffo wneud bach o pŵer. You can bring your legs closer together. Keep it back straight. Kevin syth. Oh, da iawn pawb, hwnna'n tough. Heel, flicks, and we flick lan fair, ankles, coming up to our bums. Pie trod, dwylo, fanna, don't put your hands or fingers, just in case you break a finger. Pla'n barod, 5 eiliad. Bach yn gentle I fi. A little bit older than you guys. Flick them up at the back. Da iawn. Bach o cardio, ni'n gweithio'r calon fan hyn. Getting the blood pumping. Sprinters yn neud hwn pan nhw'n troi lan. Sprinters will be doing this exercise. Da iawn. 5 to go, guys. Curtsy squat. We just did the squat tro ma. Curtsy, opposite yn mynd draw. Os ti'n meddwl, Steph, beth ti'n gweud? Just try copy, okay? We're going down. Curtsy squat, okay? Gweithio glutes, your bums, okay? Been tough. Really good exercise. Just tu ôl, plygu, pengliniau, bend your knees. Nice, a slow bach. Could be a new exercise for some of you. O, fi'n teimlo fe. O, fi'n teimlo fe. Yeah, da iawn pawb. Un bach arall. O! Da iawn. Oh, Steph. High knees tro ma. So now we need a heel flicks. Ni'n just mynd I pigo coesau ni lan tro ma. Eto, sprinters yn neud hwn tro amser. When you sprint, you really power through. Sprinters neud hwn lot. Okay. Slow bach I fi. We're really trying to drive those legs up. Defnyddio'ch brig hefyd. Can't do it like this. Really anodd. Pump. Opposite. Oh, fi'n anadlu nawr. Da iawn. Cadw fynd. Oh, 3 ar ôl. 3, 2, go. Dal ati, keep going, 3 to go. We're going to do a one leg balance. Fi just moyn chi, lan I chi, up to you now. Fi just mynd I cael balance. One leg off the floor. If you want to go forward, falle ti moyn neud bach o stalk. Lan I chi. My legs off the floor. Bach yn tough ar ôl neud high knees yna. Trio settle yn adlu. Settle the breathing. Falle na I mynd bach i'r front. Gweithio'r hamstring. And all lan, still one leg. Keep bwysau, we're balancing. Fi'n mynd nôl to. Use your other leg at the back. Da iawn. Guess what? That's right. Fi'n mynd y coes arall nesa. Fi'n mynd I cael bach o dŵr. Left leg I fi nesa. Defnyddio'r coes arall. Pawb. Oeth eiliad. Fi newydd checo. We've got a terror for the last one. Sorry. Coes chwith. Lan. Oh! Bad start, Steph. Concentrate. Okay. Coes chwith. Yn gweithio galed. If this is too easy, okay, tree house. Falle bach o lean. You can use your back leg. I ci bwysau. A nôl. Falle chi moyn neud bach o stalk, pose. Fi'n mynd I fynd o flan eto, if you can. Really feel the floor with your feet. Da iawn. Fel na, really dig into the floor. Use your feet. Lots of muscles in your feet. Oh, Steph. Burpees I benny. Oh, ni'n mynd lawr at y llawr. Kick o mas. Okay, nôl mewn. A ni'n neud, a ni'n mynd lawr eto. Un tough I benny, then we're done. Off ni. Burpee. Da iawn. Da iawn pawb. Last 15 seconds. 15 eiliad. Job done. Da iawn. Cadw fynd. Faint sy'n ôl? Here we go. Un arall. Oh. Oh. Okay. Da iawn pawb. Very good workout fyna. Edrych ar ddau sgrin. So diolch yn fawr. Bydd ni'n safio hwn ar tudalen Facebook. We'll save this on our Facebook page. A hefyd ar channel YouTube ni. Okay, we'll save it on our YouTube channel. Bydd e mewn Fit and Pimp. Okay, just so ddim yn colli e. Gobeithio nath chi mwynhau. Llais i'n mynd. See you soon. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Ta-ta.